What's your lawn darts?
Oh, you like those? Those are illegals, huh?
I know.
Froggy flip.
See what you had. It's a garage sale. Everything's negotiable. I just threw prices on it.
Yeah, you gotta start somewhere.
Yep, gotta start somewhere. That's pretty well. It's an old Marks. I think
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I don't know. Camper set came out. Dagnabbit. 73.
Uh-huh.
I think. I've got a whole room full of Mark stuff. I sell my Mark stuff online.
Oh, really?
Or the Johnny West stuff, rather.
Right.
That's the stuff I grew up with.
You said this is from 65?
Yeah, let's turn it over. Should have a date on it. Oh. Well, where's the flipping? I know it had a Mark sign on it somewhere.
It says on the wheels, so yeah, it is Marks.
Here's Marks. It does. I got the catalog in there. Tell me what time.
Oh, it's okay.
They usually got a stamp on them. I thought it did.
Oh, well, $5, I'll take it.
All right. Yeah, those are the little pegs for the.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, they stopped making all their stuff in '75.
Oh, really?
Either 73 or 75. And then they come out with the repops in 2000, I think, or 1999.
Yeah.
I heard they even sold the museum. The museum's gone now.
Oh, wow.
West Virginia.
Yeah, you don't see Mark stuff too much at garage sales anymore.
Yeah.
It's kind of fun.
I mean, that's I got an entire room, my eBay room, and I got.
Oh, really?
She thinks I'm a hoarder. She calls me a hoarder until I show her the money I'm
Oh, yeah. I get it.
I did look most of these up, and I put. They were going between 5 and 10. They were actually selling for that. Yeah.
Do I pay you? Or
This is the man in the blue.
it's all his? Okay.
Yeah. He'll take care of you.
Got $6.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir. Yep.
Okay.
I bought that in auction years ago.
Okay, well I seen the post indicator out front and okay. There you go. No. Just using it for decoration.
That's crazy. What's that?
It pops apart.
Oh, yeah, like
Yeah.
Velcro.
I mean, you can take it all the way down.
What's your lawn darts?
Oh, you like those? Those are illegals, huh?
I know.
$10.
$10? Sold. There's a safer version, it looks like.
Those are way funner.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Well, I got another pair in there, too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never see these anymore.
No, you don't. Yeah. There's 4 of them, I think, there.
Yeah, what are these from, you know?
And this is something people don't realize. This is a Muppet, too.
Oh, that's cool.
They all are. All of them are.
Huh. I'm gonna grab your puppets too. Do you know what these puppets are from, or are they just
Yeah, that's the whole family
characters?
there.
Well, I'll grab those.
You can lay the stuff up on.
Okay.
They talk. They do something, I don't know.
Rugrats.
That one you have to stick the pacifier in his mouth.
Oh, okay.
To say something.
Huh. Let me think about this for a sec. All right. I think I owe you 29.
What do you got?
Let's see, we got 10 on this, 6 on the puppets,
Okay.
3, so 19, and those are $1 each?
Yes.
Okay. There you go.
29 is what you owe me. Is that what you said?
Yep. I'll just go ahead and keep that $1. We're fine.
Well, thanks.
I'm excited about the jarts.
Oh, that's sad.
Let's see if I can get it. I might be okay. I got it.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
Never know.
The little ones, I don't know where it goes to.
Good morning.
Hi,
How you doing today?
we're selling that sewing machine and the desk for 30 bucks.
Oh, okay.
So that's a heck of a deal.
That is a heck of a deal.
Well, I appreciate you coming in.
Yeah.
Anything in particular?
Oh, I normally look for like vinyl records and old cassette tapes and old toys and video games, action figures.
Okay,
Does anything work in the garage?
well, yeah, but I don't have them out yet. I have to. I got some old vinyl.
I'm right here.
Okay,
I'm here.
okay.
Okay, just you go away but find me a good.
I don't know. Well, you can
place
come
to
back
sit.
out and look. See.
Jimmy, where is
Okay.
there someplace where I can sit down? I can't eat on that thing. I can't walk on that thing.
Well, I'm glad
Sir,
you asked.
Oh, you're
sir,
fine.
I'm sorry.
You are fine.
I had a stroke, okay?
Uh-huh.
So I can't talk everything right.
Oh, it's okay.
But I'm so when I treat or whatever, I'm trying something else. So just ignore me.
You are fine.
Thank you. Jim will help you.
Okay.
But they're going to bring me he's going to get me yeah.
Okay.
Because I've had heart and I had ears, or I had knees, so
I understand.
there's a lot of pieces and parts are not there anymore.
I understand.
There you go, babe.
Thank you.
There's a chair for you. You wanna
Thank
walk
you very
back?
much.
Sure. I'll walk there.
Yes.
Come on. we'll walk
Okay.
back.
Sounds good.
Well, I put the house. I was going to ask to sell the property.
Right.
And I haven't talked to any realtors or any of that stuff. And I showed the property to about 3 people from before.
Mm-hmm.
The guy came in yesterday. This is all our land, all the way back.
Oh, wow.
Okay, we got over 2 acres, just about 2 acres
Yeah.
here. And took him in the house, came back out. He said, "Well, how much you asking for?" I said, $140,000,
Jeez.
which is cheap.
That's cheap.
That's cheap.
Especially right here.
And the guy said, "I'll be right back." He came back, give me 10,000, put 10,000
Oh, wow.
down, and he bought the house.
Nice.
Bought everything. We're moving to Florida,
Oh, yeah, that's good.
so we live in Florida,
Yeah.
and we're down by Sarasota, and we have a nice home down there. But the house down there is all furnished, ready to go.
Right.
You know, and I mean, it's just
So you just
really
need to
nice.
get-
And so I told her, I'm not putting anything in that freaking house down there because I like the house
Right.
the way it is.
Right.
So that's the reason we're doing yard sales.
Makes sense.
Back here, I apologize right from the get-go.
Oh,
Okay.
I appreciate you bringing me back here.
I just can't get it out fast enough. There's a lot of people been stopping me. Let's see what I got. Again, I apologize.
Oh, no, you are fine.
You do 45s?
Sure.
Okay.
I can try to lift stuff down for you. if you
Yeah,
want
let me see what I got over here.
Okay.
So around the world in 80 days. All of these. All these. All of these. And I'll even throw in the little
Okay.
thing.
Maybe over here.
$10.
Sure.
Is that good?
Sure. Sold.
Okay, there you go there. Start there. I'm a television producer.
Oh, really?
That's what you see all this stuff.
That's pretty cool.
So all this gear here is from a television studio. So I do a lot of broadcast work,
That's pretty neat.
and I'm trying to help. I'm trying to be good for you here. Can you help me with
Sure.
some of this? You're a tad bit taller than I am.
Just
these two boxes.
this right here?
Yeah, I think those are 45.
Okay. Try to
Yeah,
do it without
well, a lot of
dropping it.
poop
Let's
shit
see.
on it, yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, I got this
Let's look
one.
at the top one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Huh?
Yep, that's what it is.
All right. There you go. About another $10 for these.
Sure.
Okay.
Works fine.
You got these two.
Yeah.
Okay, take
That's what
those.
we do.
That's part of your deal. So you're talking $20. You want to take this one down?
Sure.
There may be some stuff in there.
Okay.
I don't know. That's a 50-50 chance.
Right on. Take a look.
In there, it's in there. If it's not, it's not.
Looks like some records in there.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yep. There you go. Cool. I thought there was records in that.
Tapes in there too.
Tapes too.
Yep.
Now $5 for all of it.
Okay. Let's do it.
25.
That'll work.
Huh?
That'll
Are
work.
you happy with that?
I'm happy.
All right. You want to bring your car back here and pick it up?
Sure, I can do that.
Okay. We'll walk back there.
Okay.
Well, I'm just tickled pink that I was able to help you out.
Me too. I appreciate that. There you go.
There you go. Thank
25.
you.
Thank you.
Oh, look at the gangs here.
Oh yeah.
Hi, girls.
You guys say hi?
But,
Find anything you like?
yeah, I bought some stuff. He told me just to pull around and come back there and pick it up
Good.
real quick.
That's good. Yes.
So,
Come around. Just
all right.
drive in the garage.
All right, sounds good. In the grass, gotcha. Thank you so much, sir. All right, guys, so we made it back to the garage. These were a few of the sales I went to on Friday. It's now Monday. Friday, I really didn't do a whole lot of buying, but I did pick up a few interesting things, and I just felt like a lot of the people were just really nice. So figured, hey, let's just make a video out of it. Saturday, I found some pretty great stuff, so that video will be coming out in like 2 or 3 days. So real quick, let me show you some of the stuff I did find on Friday. At this first little sale, I picked up a sealed box of Lego brickheads. It is number 40270. I paid $1. I think that's probably worth about 20. Should be a pretty easy sell. And then he had this vintage Marks Johnny West Jeep for $5. And obviously it's a parts Jeep. Cool thing is it does have all the wheels. It even has the spare tire. The windshield tabs are broken off, but I do have those also, so they could be repaired. For the most part, it's pretty intact. It's like missing the steering wheel and stuff. Anymore, these don't come up that often. In a little bit better condition and a little bit more complete, it could sell for over $100. I think in this condition, if I sold it online for parts, I could probably get 30 to 40 plus shipping. I may just put it in the booth, I don't know, for 20 or 25, but I paid $5 for it, and I just thought it was pretty cool. Then at the sale with the vinyl records, I'll be honest with you, if all these records were just out at a garage sale, probably wouldn't have picked most of them. I probably just would have left them behind. However, those people were about the nicest people I've ever encountered. So that guy probably could have handed me a box of old dog turds and said $10, and I would have said, sure, man, that sounds great. That being said, I spent $25 there, and there are some pretty decent things. Like these 45s, there's a bunch of them, and for $10, I probably would have gambled on those. I normally do on 45s because they're fun to look through. Occasionally you'll find one that's worth quite a bit of money. A lot of times they just end up being sold in lots, which is probably what most of these will be. I've not gone through everything yet, but there are some pretty cool things here, like some ELO. There's some more ELO, Foreigner, Styx, Genesis, Niccolo, Cruel to Be Kind, Cheap Trick, Super Tramp, Cool in the Gang, there's Monster Mash. There's a ton in here. Those are just a few that I pulled out quickly because they caught my attention. But these will probably more than likely be sold in lots. Maybe I'll sell like some in the antique booth, I don't know. But 45s are definitely fun to look through, and I love finding them cheap like that. As far as the records go, it's pretty cool that I got this little holder. There were a bunch that I just had to toss. Like, you could see that they weren't stored very well. I mean, they were just up on a garage shelf for who knows how many years. Some of them weren't really salvageable, but these will all go in the booth for like $2 a piece, maybe $1 on some of them, and they should sell. And then there was a little stack of Frank Sinatra records. Those might do a little bit better. And then these are pretty cool. This is like a stack of Disneyland records. I think there's like 14, and actually most of those ended up being in pretty good condition. There's Puff the Magic Dragon, Little Engine That Could, Lady and the Tramp, Aristocats, Bambi, Gingerbread Man, The Ugly Duckling, a holiday Mickey Mouse, The Story of Black Beauty, Alice in Wonderland, Heidi, Mother Goose, Pinocchio, and Little Red Riding Hood. So like I said, these are actually in pretty good condition. Nothing huge money. I could probably put this whole lot of 14 on eBay and sell it for between like 50 and 75. I think would be a pretty realistic number. But I may just put them in the antique booth for like $4 to $5 a piece. Even though these titles aren't necessarily stuff I would pick up for the most part, I still think there's money to be made. So that's a win-win in my opinion. And then we have this little interesting sale here. I got a couple gifts. This like shell flamingo carving thing was a gift for my mom. She is obsessed with flamingos, and I'm sure this will go straight to her bathroom. It was $3, and I think she'll love it. And then I got this bag of vintage glass cutting tools. They were $1 a piece. I think there's 10 in there, so I paid $10 for it. I grabbed these as a gift for my buddy Kevin that runs a stained glass shop. He just kind of has an appreciation for the vintage aesthetic, and I thought he might enjoy them. Grabbed this little family of hand puppets here. Paid $6 for all of them. I've done okay with hand puppets in the past. I don't necessarily think these are anything special. I couldn't find any markings on them or anything. You do want to keep an eye out for like the Mr. Rogers hand puppets or the Addams Family hand puppets and stuff like that, or like weird devils and just more bizarre things. This is just like a little family, and I think I'll probably end up getting about $20 plus shipping out of it. And then we have what is probably the best find, and it's the find that I can't even sell. I mean, I know there's ways to skirt regulations and rules and stuff, but it was the first time I'd ever seen a set at a garage sale, and it was only $10. I had to buy it. Obviously, there are some that get through on eBay, and a set like this, if it made its way through, would sell for between probably 50 and $100. I would never, ever, 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 ever in a million years risk my eBay account for 50 to $100. That would just be stupid. So at the end of the day, I'm left with this valuable yet worthless yard sale find. Unfortunately, there was no box with it, but had to pick them up, and it is what it is. All right, guys, so that is all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.